Hello, my friends. Welcome to my world. Lorrie here, and if it's your first time here, welcome. If you're coming back, thanks for coming back. You know I love you and I appreciate you. Today we're doing an update, survival seeds, actually 2025. So we're going to do an update garden, and then I'll come back at the end and tell you how wonderful the hosts and the sponsors and the participants in this marvelous collaboration are. I guess I shouldn't end a sentence with a preposition. So I'll tell you how wonderfully they're doing in the collaboration. How's that sound? So, like, subscribe, share, comment, all that jazz. Remember, you don't have to be there to win at the giveaways, but our monthly giveaways, there are giveaways for commenting on a video. So if it's hashtagged Survival Seeds 2025 and it's coming out in the month of April, make sure that you comment on it to get a chance to win a prize at the end of the month. So let's get into it and check out my garden. I have some good things and I have some bad things. So this giant survival seeds tomato has gotten way too big for its little pot. And so I've trimmed off all the leaves and I'm going to actually transplant it into that milk jug because I don't have any more really tall planters. I probably do outside, but it's cold out there. Off the top, I've sliced some holes in the bottom and on the bottom at the side. And I'm going to go ahead and line it with a coffee filter and get some dirt in there. To get some of my flowers to come up though, I've got some marigolds here, some dahlias, and some bachelor buttons. I planted some asters, but they have not come up. And my feverfew, I've still just got that one little seed there, that one little bud that's coming up. Up here, I have peppers. These guys probably need to come down and get some water. It's been a few days. Yep, they're definitely dry. Same with that pumpkin. It needs to come down and get some water, but I've got some other stuff being watered right now. Let's go take a look. So speaking of survival seeds, here are some of my peppers, some of my sweet peppers. Back there are my onions. And these guys are just now soaking in a tub of water so they can soak up what they need. And then let's see, remember that one tomato that I put into the milk jug? It did not make it. That crack must have been worse than I thought. So I'll have to dig that out. Here's my other pumpkin. It's doing nicely, starting to flower. I keep cutting the flowers off of it. But yeah, it's going to be ready to go outside pretty soon. Orange trees. Turmeric. Not doing so hot. What do we got up here? We got some celery plants and another turmeric. And they're just hanging out. We're not quite ready to go outside yet. The celery likes it warm, so yeah. And one look at what I've got going on in the hydro. So I can actually pull these off. I've got some different lettuces going here. I can't tell if there's anything back there yet. Oh, nothing in there yet. Anyway, and then over here is going to be my little tomato. I found a little dwarf tomato plant. I'll actually go ahead and I'll just cut it off, one of them right now, because I don't need two tomato plants growing in my little indoor garden. But yeah. That's what I've got going on in my garden right now. Well, and that's it. That's what my garden is doing right now. Like I said, I have some good things, some bad things. I guess that's typical of anybody's garden. right? So what else? Oh, yes, let's shout out Vineyard Chicks and Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa and Bushcraft Family. Three marvelous channels who got together last year and started up this collaboration and rounded up all of us people who are involved with us and all of the sponsors and all of the gifts, and they put so much into it. And I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you to all you people out there who are helping. And don't forget Anne, my other sweet coordinator or cheerleader or whatever you want to call us. She's doing a fantastic job too. And Blue, we don't see her much, but I think of her often and waiting for her growing season to start. Anyway, looking forward to seeing more videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming and hanging out with me for a little while in Lorrie's world. I do appreciate you, and I will hope to see you soon. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.